Hey guys, it's March 3rd, and we're back with Dave for a bonus video at the Flak Panzer Restoration Project. So, Dave, last time we were in here, we were helping to clean up the area. And now when we come back this week, this is suddenly here. Where the heck did it come from?
Yeah, so this was sitting out on the pad over by the Sherman flail, or crab flail, sitting over there. We got permission from the director and the technical assistants here at the Borden Museum to actually bring it inside and get it out of the elements as well, because it's another rare vehicle that's here on base Borden.
Right. So how did you get it in here?
So again, being a REME technician myself, I talked to the REME school over there, the vehicle company. I talked to the major there, talked a couple of guys there, got it through ops. The REME school provided assistance again, and came over with the Leopard RV3, a couple of other vehicles to take it off the pad and bring it over into here. So again, a shout out to the REME school here in Borden for their assistance in bringing another vehicle in for us.
Right. So what's the overall status of the vehicle as it is now?
So right now, the status is it actually rolls. It came off the pad real easy. Nothing wrong with the track or anything like that. The engine is out of it. The actual engine is sitting right over here. Quite a few years ago, they had started restoration on it. Unfortunately, they couldn't go any further. They had to stop at the time. So the engine has been in the building for quite a while. It's actually sitting over here now. We just moved it over on this side, so the engine is here. It just needs to be put back together, rebuilt, put back together. As well, the rad needs to be recored for us. Once that all gets done, we should have a runner. Yak Panzer 38T, Hetzer, at Base Borden Museum as a runner.
Yeah. And where did it come from, actually?
So this, again, is one of the vehicles from Farley Mowat's collection back in 1945 that he had gotten there. It actually, we found out some more information from a gentleman that had talked to Farley Mowat on where he collected this. It had actually come out of Meppen, Germany. To note as well, it only has 236 kilometers on the dash.
Great, so it's a mint vehicle.
It is a mint vehicle.
Yeah. Actually, talking about the dash, what's the condition of the interior since it's been sitting outside?
Actually, surprisingly, it's in really good condition, a lot better condition that we had the Flak Panzer in inside, because they had already stripped the inside, repainted it. It's actually in really good shape.
Great, and thanks for your time, Dave.
Yeah,
I'm sure we'll be seeing a lot more of this vehicle in the
I'm sure you will.
Yeah. Okay, see you around, guys.